In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan from Nayapay. First, download the Nayapay app. It's available on the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. Once you've got it, sign up using your CNIC and fill in your personal info. You'll need to set up your wallet and go through their verification process, which usually includes uploading your ID, a photo, and maybe linking a bank account. Without verification, you won't be able to access things like loans or other advanced features. After you're verified, open the app and check the main menu to see if you're eligible for a loan. Look for something like loan or borrow. If you don't see anything, it could just mean you're not eligible yet or the feature hasn't been rolled out to your account. If the option is there, tap on it and go ahead with your loan application. You'll be asked how much you want to borrow, and Nayapay will review your wallet activity, transaction history, and overall usage before deciding. If you're approved, the money will be added directly to your Nayapay wallet. From there, you can use it to pay bills, send money to friends or family, shop online, or even withdraw it to your bank account. Repayment details will show up clearly in the app, including how much you owe and when it's due. Make sure to pay on time to avoid late fees or credit issues. One extra tip: keep an eye on your spending and loan limits, as borrowing responsibly ensures you maintain a good record for future loans. Using Nayapay's loan feature wisely can help manage short-term expenses safely without risking unnecessary debt.